To start playing MADrift, download MADrift from App Store. Head tracking system will be enabled once paired with Glow. Tap on the phone screen to start the game. Tap the Start button on your phone. Turn your head to look through the panel, and tap the phone screen to select your game mode. Choose your favorite car model and start racing. Turn your head for a full view of the racing lane. You can control your racing car on your phone screen. Tap on the left side of phone screen to control the direction of racing car, and the right side of screen to accelerate or brake. Thank you for watching. Still have questions? Always feel free to contact us at cs@madgaze.com.